The Federal Reserve maintained interest rates at its latest meeting while abandoning forward guidance, pointing to a sharp increase in real Treasury yields since June, one of the largest intermeeting surges in 2 decades. Federal Reserve officials noted that tightened financial conditions have partially absorbed the need for further policy action. However, market sentiment reacted negatively, sending 30-year Treasury yields up to 5.2 while the US dollar weakened and equities fell. Would you like to read more market analysis about dollar, lost, and mirrors? Policy divergence within the Federal Open Market Committee FOMC has further complicated the outlook. 3 officials, Beth Hammack, Neil Kashkari, and Lori Logan, voted against the decision, calling for an immediate rate hike, with 3 dissenting votes among the 12 committee members. Market participants, backed by analysis from SIB, are pricing in heightened expectations for a potential rate increase at the September 1560 meeting. ECB policy consensus and macroeconomic resilience never miss news-driven moves. Use the News OCO expert advisor. Find out more. In contrast to the Fed's internal divide, the European Central Bank ECB displays strong policy cohesion. The Governing Council has unanimously signalled a prospective rate hike in September, bolstered by stronger-than-expected economic performance. Eurozone gross domestic product (GDP) expanded by 0.4 in the second quarter, double the Bloomberg consensus forecast, with positive contributions from Germany, France, Italy, and Spain. Geopolitical tensions and rising energy costs present contrasting dynamics for both currency zones. According to Commerzbank, the euro exhibits a stronger correlation with oil prices than the US dollar. As crude prices elevate due to ongoing conflict in the Middle East, Eurozone inflation expectations continue to climb, reinforcing the ECB's hawkish policy path. US technical analysis. From a technical standpoint, the daily chart for EURUSD indicates price action testing key resistance at the 1.1470 pivot level. A sustained breakout above this resistance threshold would validate bullish momentum, offering scope for traders to build upon long positions initially established from the 1.1405 level. Automate and optimize your forex trading with Robot FX and T4 and T5 solutions. Visit us today for the best trading tools.